Honorable Minister for MSME, Sri Dinsha Patel ji, Dr. William Harmon, Dean, College of Business, USA, Dr. H.V. Kumar, Chairman, NSIC, distinguished speakers, members of diplomatic missions, corporate friends, media colleagues from media, ladies and gentlemen. I extend my heartiest welcome to Honorable Minister for MSME, Sri Dinsha Patel ji, for gracing this occasion and consenting to inaugurate 4th Indian Marketing Summit, whose theme is Marketing in Context of MSMEs. Sir, under your transformational leadership, a process for wider consultations with the stakeholders of MSME sector has been set in. This view has been expressed by a number of MSMEs associations I have come across the country. For my guest from abroad, I would just like to tell them that our chief guest is belonging to a state of our country which has been always in the forefront of developing MSME sector and entrepreneurship. He is from the birthplace of the father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Sir, we are confident that this will lead to robust policy formulations and MSMEs would be able to position in highly competitive business scenario. Since he is from Gujarat, let me try my knowledge about his mother tongue. Sir, આજની આ સભામાં આપનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આ કાર્યક્રમમાં આપની પ્રભાવશાળી ઉપસ્થિતિ MSME સેક્ટર માટે આપની લગની અને સદભાવનો પુરાવો છે, જેના માટે અમે સદૈ ઋણી રહીશું. I welcome Sri H.P. Kumar, Chairman, National Small Industries Corporation, for sparing time for the summit in spite of his busy schedule. My thanks goes to members of diplomatic missions who are present here and have evinced keen interest in resilience and growth of MSME sector in the country. I cordially welcome them. As all of you may be aware, the MSME sector plays a pivotal role in our country's economy. Not only in our country's economy, it's a global phenomenon now. In our country, it accounts for the employment of 60 million people, originates 45% of the total manufactured output, and consumes 40% of India's export earnings. It was in this context that BIMTech and Milagro considered it fit and proper to throw focused light on this sector and examine the ways in which the sector can realize its full potential. It is our hope that the public discourse that the summit will highlight issues of importance and prioritize them, especially in the presence of many eminent decision makers and thought leaders assembled here. I welcome all our distinguished speakers and friends of MSME sector who are going to present their insights and concerns as to how MSMEs may develop sound marketing strategies and adopt tools and techniques for attaining competitive advantage and sustained growth. My heartiest welcome to colleagues from academia and students of various management institutes who are keen to play a pivotal role in shaping the future of MSME sector in the country. Cordial welcome to Sri Rajiv Karwal, founder Milagro, our partner for this summit, and Sri Cecil Joseph, Head Education Small and Medium Business, TCS. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to all the guests assembled here. Thank you.